In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can connect TikTok to Shopify. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. I'm going to log in into my Shopify store right now. Now, the second thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect TikTok to Shopify, how you can manage your campaigns, pixels, everything you need to know will be available on this video. Okay, so you want to click on apps and sales channels, as you can see, and here you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right, and here you want to search for TikTok. Okay, after, guys, you search on TikTok, you want to click here on TikTok, as you can see. Make sure it says here showcase your products to TikTok is billions of users, and make sure the developer name is TikTok. Here, click on install. First, after you click on install, you want to click on add sales channels. Make sure you set up TikTok for business if you haven't done that already. So if you haven't done that already, you just need to click here. Let me show you guys where it says here grow your business on TikTok. You want to click on setup, and here where it says connect TikTok for business, because you are watching this video, probably you already have a TikTok account and Shopify store. Now, if you have a TikTok account, you need to create a TikTok for business. Now, I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. You just need to search on a new tab for TikTok.com business. Okay, and here it says here TikTok for business. You want to click on it, and you just need to set it up. You just want to add the address, and you can click on sign up with TikTok. You just need to add the industry and business name and mobile phone number. Okay, and also make sure the TikTok account is a business account. Okay, the TikTok account must be a business account. If you don't know, guys, how you can turn or how you can change from personal account to business account on TikTok, I will leave a video in the cards of this video. You will see it in the top right. Okay, that video will show you guys how you can convert or how you can change from personal account to business account, because this is very important. Now you want to click on connect. You want to click on connect here. Just give it a few seconds, and as you can see, it says here my name, my TikTok business account. You want to click on connect. Like I said, you have to set it up before you before you can click on connect. Okay, guys, now it says here disabled because my TikTok hasn't, it's not verified yet, because I just created it a few seconds. Where it says here data sharing, you just need to click on catalog here, and you want to connect it. Okay, and also the company information. And then after you complete all these steps, guys, you want to click on finish setup. Now after that, it will take, guys, a few 24 hours for TikTok to verify your account, and then you can then manage your campaigns and pixels inside TikTok for business. Okay, just need to search for TikTok.com business, and there you will find all your campaigns, and then you can, just like you do on Facebook ads, the same thing, guys, on TikTok. Now make sure you just need to create a TikTok for business, and you follow the steps. Just add connect the TikTok for business to your Shopify store, and that's it. But you need to, as you can see, it says here account not approved. I don't know why, because I already have an account. You don't let me use my old account here. So like I said, it says here you just need to update the required account information to run ads. Okay, so like I said, guys, for you won't have this problem, because I already have an account with the same information. That's why they don't let me do that. They don't let me connect. It says here disabled because of that. Now you need to watch the video in the screen right now so that you can install the pixel. And if you don't know, guys, how to run ads on TikTok, I will leave a video on this video in the screen so that you can learn exactly how you can do that. Please drop a like, and see you guys in the next video.